Yo, what's up, y'all? It's been a little minute. Let's go ahead and kick it off with a watch list for y'all real quick. Coming up on Monday, July 10th, 2023. These are going to be potential day trades, potential swings. So first off, starting off with Bank of America, we see we've been tightening, making a little symmetrical triangle, but it is at the bottom of a downtrend. All right, given that vibe of potential continuation, breakout to the downside, which might happen to coincide with their earnings release coming up soon. All right. We got an inside day on our close on Friday. And so we can look at this two ways. It's really just looking for a breakout. Right. Keeping in mind that an inside day means that we have consolidation on the smaller time frames. So we would take it down to a 30-minute. Then we will see all this consolidation. Essentially, what we're going to do is look for a breakout and then take that breakout down to the trend lines. All right, so we break out to the downside, we can come down here to this trend line, break out to the upside, take it up to here. Again, the bigger plays ideally looking for a continuation down to get a better entry on that move down so you can have a better risk to reward. We could drop the time frame down some more and see that we do have a support right here on the 15. All right, so we could take that, set an alert on that, and then we can see how that interacts there. And if we break and close below that, we can look for the retest or the continued move down first to here. And then once we see if we can break through there, we come on down and keep going. So that is Bank of America. Next one we're going to look at is Micron. Micron fell down. We had an inside day as well on Micron, and we're sitting at this demand area. All right, so with this one, looking for a breakout back to the upside for a reversal after this move down. Simply looking at taking out the high of the previous day, which was Friday, so 61.49. So looking at taking out 61.49, giving us 61.50. Taking that up. First stop, closing that gap at about 62.06. And then starting to move up and fill up this candle on the way back up. That's what we'll be looking at for Micron. It's a potential swing. And we can maybe move up towards a 63.50. Right, this is the last spot we had some consolidation. So that's going to turn into our most likely resistance area where we'll see some real stuff happen on the daily if we're going to swing this. And lastly, for right now, we got McDonald's. All right, McDonald's came off the supply zone. We got our triple top, 1, 2, 3, phew, right? And we have a trend line coming up. We got 1, 2, 3, right? So looking at McDonald's to make a bounce back from here, back up to this top area about 298. So that'll give us a pretty solid move. Can wait for the safer entry on the high, a break of the previous high day, which will give us at 294.37. Or we drop down to smaller time frames on here, just like we did before. We can look at potential entry once we break above this resistance. And we see that that was a resistance a few times and gave us a little miniature triple top. We take it down to the smaller time frames. All right. So that's what I'm looking at McDonald's, Micron, and Bank of America. As always, like, comment, share, subscribe. Link to the Discord is in the description. Have a great trading week.